Hi guys, what's up? I'm at Redcillf City. Okay guys, so today I'm just gonna be a normal life, and so I'm just in my house. Look at my house. I don't want to show you the car, but I have to. It has a piece of junk. That's it. Give me a sec. I have a rich house, but I don't have a car. I kind of. You see, there's like, yeah, kind of good. There's like air going out. The color is bad. So yeah, I go to the right. What is dude doing here? How I move? Oh, this car. Long time I don't use this, bro. Guys, hit the like and smash that sub, please. Why is it going so slow? Yo, please. Yo, why is it going so slow? Guys, what is going on? Okay. Bro, it's slower than a turtle. Yeah, we almost done. Okay. This way, guys. This way. Okay, guys, this is so bad right now. Oh my god. Guys, what is that there? Who's that guy? Whoa, look at that car. I wish I have one like that. Why, guys, this car? Wait, can I go over there? Guys, oh, we almost there. Let's go overhead here. I'm faster than the damn car. What is that board says right over there? Wait, guys. Yo, what's up? Wait, I have to park it. What that board say over there? Car meeting. Whoa, there's a car meet? Wait. Can I come in? Can I? What the? Bro has a cool car, bro. Wait, there's like a lot of food. What, there's a helicopter? Hi. Can I join? You have a rusty car, bro. Bruh? Can I join, please? Yeah, piece of junk. No. Bro. Oh my god, I can't join this. I have to fix this car. Guys, I can't join the thing. Get out of here. Shut up! Bro's laughing. Bro's laughing at me, bro. Yo, I might need some gas over there. I don't use this car a long time, bro. Yes, I have to go. Wait, I have stuff in my house to fix it, guys. Tomorrow you will see my car like a piece of cool car. Bro, bro, chill. Bro, just cut me over, bro. Bro, just circling. Whoa, he's going so fast. Oh, no. Okay, let me tell him. Wait. Tomorrow, stay at the resting place. Okay. Yeah. I will beat you, and yeah, I don't care. No one coming to your car, mate. But tomorrow, the race will begin. First, I have to fix my car, guys. I will work for day. Tomorrow, okay? Hey, we're already gone. That's crazy. Bro, faster. Oh my god, this thing. I have to. I have stuff in my garage. Okay, I have to go faster. Yo, this is a piece of junk. He's through the. Oh my god, this why is it so slow? Big. Bro! Bro, just racing right now. It's morning almost. It's morning. Yo, come at come at 3 p.m. in the morning. Oh, it's already morning. Afternoon. 3 p.m. please. Okay. People don't shut up, please. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, bro. At least mine. Okay, guys, I'm just going in right now. Oh, I have everything, guys. Close this garage. Yes. Guys, just have clothes on. I guess there's a clothes. I will go wear it and come at the working thing. So, guys, just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. You will see me. My car will be nicer than his, and even faster. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna go to my room. There's a cloth I get, and that's not my room. Sorry. Wait, my room is actually. Let me go to the up bathroom, guys. Wait, let me search up. There's like. Wait, okay. Finally, I will go down and go to my bathroom, I guess. Bro, the car is under me, and it's. Hi. Oh, is this the bathroom? Okay. Guys, just give me a second. Okay, guys, let's get to work. Okay, let me go see. Okay, guys, I'm almost done. I just need the painting right now. Okay, let me put up oil. Okay. Okay, guys, I just need to remove. Who's ringing my bell? Give me a sec, guys. Just give me a sec. I have to put gas and stuff. I already have gas. Who's ringing the bell? Leave me alone. I'm at work. Okay, guys. I don't. Wait. It's already 12. I have to go down. Guys, just wait. Yo, guys, look at this. Wait, it's already. Oh my god. I have to go faster. Guys, I have to change my clothes faster. Okay. Open the damn door. Wait. Let me go. Wait, guys. Wait. What am I doing here? Go to the bathroom. Open it. Yo, I'm almost late. I get late. It's already 4, bro. Shit, look the door. Okay. I have to pass the no anymore. Wait, I forgot to lift on. Okay, guys. Hit the lights. I just fixed my car. Let's go. Okay, guys. Bro, the car is so fast right now. Okay. The car race is starting like there. My god, guys. Now he's so fast. Is he there already? Okay. Bro. Okay, the race is start right there. Oh, he's there. How are you? Bro? It's early, bro. Hi. Sorry I'm late. You are so much late. It's okay. Wait. What? Yo. What's that? What the heck? Is that the piece of junk you can do? Yeah, look at and the speed. Yeah. You wanna go to a race right now, bro? I have to go home too, bro. Come back. Oh, never mind. Come front. I hear. Yo, where's the race starting from? Here. Okay, just wait, what? Here was the race starting? This is start.
Okay, yalla.
Wait, give me a sec.
Okay, when are we gonna start?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, let's go! I'm winning! Yo, cry about it, wham. Yo, I don't even trend, guys. Hit the like and the sub if I win. How many rounds? 3 rounds, right? Okay. Okay. Cry about it! Already 1 round. See behind me? Bro, sorry, the last in, bro.
Yo.
Wait, what am I stuck? Oh my god, he's coming on the way. I have to go to the second. I have 2 more left. 2 laps. Okay, almost 1 done. Yo, he is still behind me. Yo, what if I win? What you give me? Okay, the second lap. Bro's in the back. Oh my god, the last lap. Yo, guys, hit the like button and smash the sub, please, guys. If I win, bro's cheating. Still, I'm winning, bro. I'm winning. Dips, I'm winning. Really? I just win. Yo, where are you? You cheater? Oh, never mind.
Wait, is she okay?
What just happened?
Yo, is that fire on?
Wait.
I have a fire extinguisher in my car.
Wait, let me go. What happened? Yo, are you okay, dude? He crashed.
Yo.
Wait, just give me a sec. Okay, the fire's not going on. Where is this dude? Oh, this dude. Bro, your car is crashed. Wait, let me carry him.
Yellow. Yo, are you okay?
You have to bring him. I have to bring him. Are you okay, dude?
No, please bring me home.
Okay, my car is faster now, so I could go. Okay. What just happened? Oh my god, you just crashed or something. You could take your car later. Bro, you have to go to the hospital. Where's the damn hospital at? I need the map. Where's the map? What is this? Where's the hospital? Alright, the hospital. Right there, guys. Bro just crashed his car. What's going on? Oh, Okay. Doctor? Where are you? Wait, let me put him to bed first. Where's the patient supposed to be? Here. Bro, I can't drop him. Wait, guys. Okay, yo, go on the bed. Bro, what just happened?
Yo, Doc, where are you? Wait, let me check to see around or something. Yo, where's the doc at?
Yo, where's the doctor at?
It's raining too. Wait, hoping the doctor will come out right now. Imagine he's up. Let me check around. Doctor! Yo, where's the doctor? Bro, is he okay or something? Bro, just crashed the car.
I bought the thing. Where's my car? Oh my god. Let me remove this. Yo, Doc. Oh wait.
Bro, where's the doctor?
Yo, doctor! Where are you with the patient? This doctor, I think that's the lunch break. That's the lunch break. Whatever. Oh, is that the doctor? Yo, doctor!
Yo, doc.
Where is he?
Yo, doc.
That's that patient right there.
Okay, wait. You stay outside. Do not come inside. Okay, I guess. Why? Okay, hopefully good. Bro, why am I sitting like this? I cannot wait.
Oh my god, bro.
Wait, I will come back. I have to get his car. I have to burn him. Your friend will be okay. Few days he had to stay on the hospital.
Okay, that's not my friend. That's I don't know who is that, but
Okay,
yes.
this boy. Okay, few days, right? He will be okay, right? Yeah. Wait, now I have to call the infraction and the car fixing guys. Or no need. Is he gonna? What I do? Do I get the car? Man, I'm here over, bro. Trying to race. He got shum shum, and guys, it's over from here, bro.
It's not my a friend, but it's still a friend.
Yeah, I don't know his name. Hopefully be okay.
Hit the like button and smash the sub. I hope that he will be okay. See ya in the next video. Bye bye, guys. See ya in the next video. Sad ending, bro.